Good morning, students. Once again, I welcome all of you for this online class. In the previous video, we have seen how Ranji takes the fishing rod and goes to the river to catch fish. But after a lot of effort, he could not catch a single fish. It is because of the summer season. There was lack of water in the river, and he he got fed up, and he tries to go back home. So this is what we have seen in the previous video. Today let us see further what happens next. So all of you can take your textbook and look at. It was a long, hot walk back to bazaar. Ranji thought again of the jalebis that he had not been able to buy. So when he starts walking back from the uh, river till the bazaar, it was a very long walk, and it was also summer season. So he had to walk under the sun, and he was sweating fully. But still, he recollects, he remembers the jalebi which he could not buy in the beginning. So again he's thinking about the same jalebi. He had reached a few scattered houses when he saw a boy playing a flute. So while he was walking through the river to the bazaar side, on the way, he finds some scattered houses. Scattered means it is situated here and there. It is not a cluster. Cluster means means houses are very close built. But scattered means people make houses here and there. Means it is little far away from the other houses. So there he finds one boy playing a flute. In the stillness of the hot afternoon, the flute made a cheerful sound. So during the hot summer, people usually they rest under the shadows of the tree, or they rest at home during afternoon. So meanwhile, he finds a boy playing outside a flute, and it sounds very melodious because there is no disturbance in the air or around the surroundings, or everything is calm and quiet. So it was very soothing, melodious voice for him. Ranjit stopped walking. So as soon as he listened the voice of the flute, he stopped walking and tries to listen the melodious sound. The boy stopped playing. So from the other side, even boy had noticed Ranji. That's why he stopped playing. The boy had his eye on Ranji's fishing rod. So the boy who was playing flute suddenly noticed the fishing rod of Ranji. So his eyes were fixed on fishing rod. That is why he stopped playing flute. Ranji had his eye on the flute. On this other side, Ranji also staring at flute. You have been fishing? Asked flute player. So the boy who was playing flute asked Ranji that he had gone for fishing. Ranji said yes. Again the flute player asked, did you catch anything? No, said Ranji. I didn't stay very long. So Ranji said that he did not catch any single fish, only because he stayed for very few seconds or minutes or hours. He did not stay for longer duration. That is what he responded. There was a long silence. So after answering the question of the flute player, both of them became very silent. They don't know maybe what to speak further. So everything, both of them are gazing at each other, or it is that they are gazing at flute and fishing rod. So they forget to speak anything. Then Ranji said, "It's a good road." So after a silence, or after a gap, Ranji started speaking, saying or explaining about his fishing rod, saying that this fishing rod is very nice. "This is a good flute," said the boy. Even the boy who had flute, he also says that his flute is also very nice. Ranji took the flute and examined it. So Ranji could not control himself because he liked the flute. That is why what he does, he takes the flute and try to examine whether it is really good or he is telling lie. He put it to his lips and blew hard, and he took the flute and started playing, and he is blowing the air very hard. There was a shrill, squeaky noise, and a startled magpie flew out of a mango tree. So he took the flute and started playing, and he blew the air so hard that it made lot of noise, very unpleasant and high noise, which made frightened to magpie bird which were on the mango tree, and suddenly all of them flew away from the mango tree. "Not bad," said Ranji. So after playing the flute, he said that it is a very nice, he liked it. The boy had taken the rod from Ranji and was looking it over. On the other side, even the boy took the fishing rod from Ranji's hand, and he is also trying to look at, he is trying to examine. It means even he liked the fishing rod. "Not bad," he said. So even he said that it is a good, it is a not bad. Ranji hesitated no longer. "Let us exchange." So after examining the flute, Ranji liked so much. That's why without delaying, without thinking much, he requested him that let us exchange the fishing rod and flute. A trade was made. So they exchanged. It means they exchanged both of them. The boy took the fishing rod and went on his way. So after exchanging, boy took the fishing rod and went away from there. Ranji began playing the flute, and Ranji on the other hand was very happy and started playing the flute, maybe so loud voice. Ranji began playing the flute. The notes sounded lovely to him, but they startled people who were passing on the road. So Ranji didn't know how to play flute. Whatever he knew that he is blowing the air and flute is making lot of noise, and he thinks that he is playing such a melodious, he is creating such a melodious voice, he liked it. But on the other hand, people those who are passing by on the road, they think that this fellow doesn't know and he is making lot of noise. All were looking at him at a surprise. They were thinking maybe he doesn't know, that's why he is playing like that. When he came to the clock tower where the bazaar began, he sat on the low wall and blew vigorously on the flute. So after reaching the bazaar, he was sitting on a wall near the clock tower, and there also he was playing the flute, and he was blowing the air so forcefully, so powerfully, with a lot of energy. that made vigorously sound to come from the flute. I can play better than that, said a boy. So when he was playing flute, one boy came near to him and said that he can play better than him, who was carrying several empty milk cans. And he was a milk seller. He had gone to sell milk and he had so many empty milk cans. Let us see, Ranji said. So Ranji offered him, he gave him one chance to play the flute. The boy took the flute and played a lovely little tune. So boy, since he knew how to play flute, that's why he is blowing the air very slowly, which is creating very melodious voice, very melodious sound. You can have it for a rupee, said Ranji. So Ranji there he was ready to sell the flute again to this milk boy. So he is offering him, since you know better than me how to play flute, so you can buy it. I will sell for a rupee, so you can have it. That is what he is requesting to milk boy. I don't have any money to spare, said the boy. But the milkman said that he does not have even a rupee. But you can have this necklace. Rather, he had a necklace. So he offers Ranji to exchange from necklace to flute. He showed Ranji a pretty necklace of brightly colored stones. So he showed the necklace to Ranji, which was made of stones, and it was really very bright and shining. The stones are very precious, said the boy. So the boy said, he explains about the importance of the necklace to Ranji, saying that stone is very precious and it is found only in Tibet. They were found in the mountains near Tibet. So these stones are found in the mountain area near the Tibet. You will not find anywhere this stone. So explain the value and importance and preciousness of the necklace. And that is how they converse, both of them, and what happens, whether they exchange or not, we will see in the next video. Thank you.